Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into a fantastic resource that creatives and marketers alike are going to love. Whether you're a video editor, content creator, or just someone who loves to add a little flair to your projects, we've got something awesome to share with you. Mixkit.co. Discover Mixkit.co, the ultimate resource for free creative assets. Mixkit.co is a treasure trove of high-quality, free assets that can elevate your content without breaking the bank. From stunning stock videos to beautiful music tracks and unique sound effects, Mixkit has a little something for everyone. Let's take a closer look at what you can find here. First up, the stock video section. Perfect for YouTube, social media, or professional presentations, Mixkit offers thousands of free stock videos across categories like nature, business, and technology. Best of all, they're free to download and use even for commercial projects. Next, explore Mixkit's vast library of royalty-free music and sound effects. Need background music for a vlog or a specific sound effect? Browse by mood, genre, or instrument to find exactly what you need. Downloading from Mixkit is incredibly straightforward. Once you find the perfect asset, simply click download, and it's yours. No signups, no fees, just creativity unleashed. For template lovers, Mixkit offers free templates for After Effects, Premiere Pro, and DaVinci Resolve. These templates streamline your editing process and add a professional touch to your videos. Mixkit.co is a fantastic resource for enhancing your projects without spending a dime. Also, let us know in the comments, what kind of content are you planning to create with Mixkit? Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.